Hi, I'm Stephen Chersey, Rentals Manager here at Owasco RV Centre. So you've just flown into the Toronto Pearson Airport and you're looking to get from there to here. I'm here to help you out stress-free. I recommend checking out a very helpful video on the Union Pearson Express, also known as the Up Train. They have a fantastic video. This is embedded in our brochure to you. If you'd like, pause this video, check it out. We'll wait. Once you've made it to Union Station, we actually recommend staying a day or two in the city. There are hotels right across the street from the train station, and there's tons of things that you can do. Restaurants to try, places to visit. The CN Tower, we have Ripley's Aquarium, personal favorite of mine. In the ROM, the Royal Ontario Museum. All great places to try before you begin your stay with us. So you're ready to head our way. Make your way back to Union Station and look for the GO Transit section. You'll want to take the Lakeshore East line, which runs frequently throughout the day. Purchase your ticket either at the station or using the Presto app or machines. Trains are clearly marked and digital boards will show Lakeshore East Oshawa as your destination. Hop on the train and enjoy the ride. It's about an hour and 15 minutes. You'll pass through great parts of the GTA on your way here to the Durham College Oshawa GO Station. Once you get there, please give us a call at the shop. One of our team members will come pick you up free of charge and bring you straight to the Owasco RV Centre, just a short 15-minute drive away. Thanks for watching and safe travels. Once again, I'm Stephen Chersey, Rentals Manager here at Owasco RV Centre, and we'll see you soon.